This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, December 29th. Stock index futures are trading higher today. We did have jobless claims coming in at 225,000 against the guess of 222,000. Also, we do have the seasonal tendency this year in play, and that is that the last 5 trading days of the calendar year and the first 2 trading days of the new year for stock index futures show a tendency to trade higher. So far, that has been a little bit short of what is anticipated by that seasonal, but we do have 3.5 days yet for the seasonal to work. I'm inclined to think that it will work, and if it does, this would mark the 7th time in a row for the seasonal to follow suit. Currency markets seeing the dollar index under pressure again today. Very little news, and yet the dollar lower, so that in itself is a sign of weakness. Interest rate differential expectations still remain bearish for the greenback. So longer term, I would expect the dollar index to trend lower, and I would look for new lows for the greenback in the first part of next year. Also, the Japanese yen is trading higher. There is the belief that the Bank of Japan may surprise again by tightening monetary policy as soon as next month, and I think that will be the case. So look for higher prices for the Japanese yen, and once again, lower for the dollar index. Interest rate futures markets, we do have a triple top in the March Fed funds futures contract at 95.3150. I think this will be taken out on the upside in the first part of next year, and if this does happen, it would reflect a potentially less hawkish Fed. Also, the 30-year Treasury bond futures have given back about 50% of the gains that were made from the lows in late October to the highs that were made on December 15th. But I do think the 50% rule will probably hold. That is a natural support. I think from here we'll probably see the 30-year Treasury bond futures trending higher into next year. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.